Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing really good, really well. This is Manisha Jha, your teacher, and today we are going to learn about who will build the cat. Once upon a time, there lived many mouse in the big store of a merchant. The store was full of sacks of grains. The mice ate the grains and played around the big sacks all the day long. They were very happy. बच्चों एक बार की बात है, बहुत सारे माउसेस जो हैं एक मर्चेंट के बिग स्टोर में रहते थे और बिग उस स्टोर में ग्रेन्स के कई सारे बोरे, कई सारे सैक्स थे और बड़े बड़े सैक्स जो थे उन सभी के साथ वो माउस खेलते थे और वो खूब खुश थे. One day a big cat came to the store. She caught a mouse and ate it up. All the other mice ran away in panic. एक दिन एक कैट आती है और उन माउस में से एक को वो खा जाती है और सभी माउस पैनिक करने लगते हैं. It continued every day. Soon many mice were killed and eaten up by the cat. The mice became very sad. They held a meeting to decide what to do. और ये सिलसिला चलता रहा, यानी रोज़ कैट एक न एक माइस को ज़रूर खा जाती थी. सभी माउस जो थे वो डर गए और सभी ने एक मीटिंग करने की सोची. When the meeting started, a little mouse came forward and said, "The best thing is to run off fast at the sight of the cat." A big mouse heard it. He was wise. He said, "The cat comes very quietly. We do not even hear the cat when she comes to catch us." जब मीटिंग स्टार्ट हुई तो एक लिटिल माउस ने कहा कि जैसे ही कैट आती है तो उसकी आँखों में यानी उसको दिखने से पहले हमें भाग जाना चाहिए. लेकिन उसमें से एक बिग माउस ने ये सब सुना और उसने ये कहा कि जब कैट आती है तो हमें पता तक नहीं चलता, वो इतने आराम से आती है. Hearing this, the little mouse said, "Let us tie a bell around her neck. Whenever she comes, the bell will ring and warn us." For a moment, everyone liked the idea. They looked happy. तभी little mouse ने कहा, फिर इसके लिए हमें कैट की गले में एक बेल बांध देना चाहिए. जब भी वो आएगी हमें उस बेल की आवाज़ सुनाई दे देगी और हमें पता चल जाएगा. और सभी ने अग्री किया इस बात पर. An old mouse was listening to their discussion. At last he stood up and said, "The idea is very good, but there is one problem. Can anyone of you tell me who will build the cat?" एक जो बूढ़ा कैट माउस था उसने कहा, तुम्हारा आइडिया तो बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन कोई ये बताएगा कि उस कैट के गले में वो घंटी बांधेगा कौन? When the mice heard it, they became silent and sad. जब माइस ने सुना तो सभी silent और sad हो गए. Nobody could say anything. कोई कुछ नहीं कह पाया. They felt helpless. उन्हें बहुत helpless feel हुआ. The meeting was over without taking any decision. Till today, the mice ran off as soon as they would see a cat. और अभी तक ऐसा ही होता आया है. अब माइस जो होते हैं जैसे ही कैट को देखते हैं तो भाग जाते हैं. Be wordy, sacks, a big size bags, panic, great fear, continued, went on, decide, settle, discussion, argument, idea, plan, quiet, silent, decision, result. Assess yourself, read and answer. Tick the correct answers. The mice lived in the big store of a merchant. Soon many mice were killed. The cat comes very quietly. The store was full of grains. A big cat came to the store. All the other mice ran away in panic. They held a meeting to decide what to do. The meeting was over without taking any decision. Tick the true statements and cross the false ones. There were many cats in the store. False. A big cat came to the store and ate the mice up. True. The mice became very sad. True. An old mouse was ready to bell the cat. False. The meeting was over with the decision. False. So match the following groups of words in column A and column B to make complete sentences. There lived many mice in the big store of a merchant. Then the mice ate the grains and played happily. The cat caught a mouse and ate it up. Let's tie a bell around her neck. They felt helpless. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस। बच्चों यहाँ चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, चैप्टर की मदद से इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। I hope you have understood each and every detail of this chapter and the exercise also। अब आप इस चैप्टर और एक्सरसाइज की रिवीजन खुद से करते रहिएगा।